Dear students, in this video we will learn about future tense. There are four subtypes of future tense: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Now see the example and the structure. The structure for simple future tense is subject plus shall will plus verb 1, and the example is I shall go. For future continuous tense, subject shall be, will be plus the fourth form of the verb, and the example is I shall be going. Future perfect tense, subject plus shall have oblique will have plus the third form of the verb, and the example is I shall have gone. Future perfect continuous tense, subject shall have will have plus been plus the ing form of the verb, I shall have been going. Now here we remember, if the person is first person singular or the plural, then we'll use shall, and for rest of the subject we will use will. Now see the person. This is the chart for simple future tense. The first person singular subject is I, and the example for simple future tense is I shall learn English. The first person plural subject is we, and so the example is we shall learn English. Second person, will see the singular and plural both. In both the cases we will use you, and singular for second person you, the sentence is you will learn English, and for plural subject you will learn English. Third person singular subjects are he, she and it, and the examples are he will learn English, she will learn English, it will learn English. And the plural third person subject is they will learn English. Now we'll compare future tense with present and past tense. First of all, we'll see the simple tense. Simple present tense, the example is he sings sweetly. It means subject plus verb 1, and a third person singular subject is he, so the verb comes with s suffix. Past tense, simple past tense. See the change. Sings turns into sang, and the example is he sang sweetly. For future tense, he will sing sweetly. Present continuous tense, example is he is singing sweetly. See the change. He was singing sweetly, and for future he will be singing sweetly. Perfect tense. Present perfect tense, he has sung sweetly. Past perfect tense, he had sung sweetly. Future perfect tense, he will have sung sweetly. Perfect continuous tense, the example for present perfect continuous tense, he has been singing sweetly. Past perfect continuous tense, he had been singing sweetly. Future perfect continuous tense, he will have been singing sweetly. Now we'll see the example. We'll take a subject, a baby girl, Mintu here. Now see the example for future tense and all the four subtypes. First example is of simple future tense. Mintu will hit the target. Future continuous tense. Mintu will be hitting the target. Future perfect tense. Mintu will have hit the target. Future perfect continuous tense. Mintu will have been hitting the target. Now these are the example for you. Ram as a subject and swim as a verb. Birds as a subject and fly as a verb. So keep watching other videos for grammar points. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice time.